We've got
Yes.
something good to talk about here. A non-for-profit group that helps with social issues like addiction, recovery, homelessness is partnering with agencies across our region. You were able to get this story for us.
I was. They are open to anyone, Dave, and they offer a number of services. You know, they've got peer counseling,
Right.
food giveaways, and they do also provide Narcan to local agencies.
Very important.
You're right. I sat down with Take Action Today's Paul Tart, and he has more on, well, all of that. Joining me, Mr. Paul Tart, and you are with Take Action Today program. Paul, you guys are spreading like wildfire across Southern Illinois. Do you care to tell me about what Take Action Today is?
Sure. So Take Action Today is a 501c3 nonprofit that was formed by a gentleman named Mike Tyson, not the boxer, in response to the mental health, homelessness, and substance use issues that are plaguing Southern Illinois.
We're seeing that there seems to be an ever-growing problem, not only with drug abuse, but right now it's everywhere, and that is opioid abuse. Are you guys seeing that same influx? It seems to be nationwide.
We are. Some of the most recent statistics that have come out is they're saying 1,500 people per week in the United States are losing their lives to an opioid overdose.
You said 1,500 a week?
Yes.
It doesn't even seem like a real statistic.
It doesn't, and that really brings light and attention to just how serious this is.
Absolutely. Well, and part of trying to counter that problem, or at least the deaths that are associated with that opioid epidemic, is Narcan.
Yes.
Okay.
So part of our partnerships with the state and where we get our grants is the Drug Overdose Prevention Program.
Okay.
That program is designed to provide Narcan for agencies, organizations, nonprofits like ours, where we're able to go out into the communities, train people on how to use Narcan, educate them on the seriousness of the opioid epidemic,
Okay.
and then make sure that they have Narcan if they want it. One of the big parts of it, we make sure that law enforcement and other first responders in our area have the Narcan when they need it, as opposed to having to worry about buying it and supplying it to their staff, thus risking more lives.
Is it hard to administer?
No, not at all. Very simple administration.
Okay.
It's intranasal, which means it's
Just-
nasal spray.
Okay.
And inside is small plunger.
Okay.
You'll simply hold it like this, put it in the person's nose to where the base of their nose is touching your fingers.
Okay.
You'll
And it's
know
just
that
a fine mist.
You'll know that it's done because it'll lock itself up.
Okay. It's kind of foolproof.
It is.
Well, Take Action Today is holding an event in Christopher in a few weeks. They're partnering with the town's police department for their resource and recovery program on May 6th from 10 to 4 at Denison Park. That is just west of town over by the ball fields. Now, it's open to the public, and we'll have a lot of educational information there, as well as people on site to talk to, and they'll also have some Narcan training.